In this video, I will share to you about how to make woodworking A-frame bench in Sketchup, and let's begin about the tutorial. First of all, we have to make the basic shape with using rotate rectangle. We can click this rotate rectangle in here, and we can click this origin. Then we can set the depth of the top bench around 35 centimeter. And we can set the length of the bench itself around 1.2 meter and enter. Okay, then we can click the surface and select push pull and click this surface again and drag to the above around 40 millimeter. Okay, and we got this, and we can triple click, right click and make group. Okay, then we can tap B on our keyboard to appear this default tree menu. Then we can select the materials menu, and we can select the wood materials. We can click this one of the wood materials like this and assign to this object. Then now we can make the A-frame on this side and on this side. Then we can use the guideline, we can use the protector. Okay, then we can click from this endpoint and drag to the red axis like this and click to this edge, and we can type for the angle around 75 degree, and also this one. Click from this endpoint and click this edge, and we can type 75 degree and enter. Okay, then we can select this guideline, select move and drag to the right side with the distance around 50 millimeter. And also this one, we can select this guideline, select move and move to the left side around 50 millimeter, enter. Okay, then we can click this guideline, tap control, and we can type 40 and enter. Okay, and also this one, we can select move, tap control, click this edge, and we can drag to the another side, type 40 and enter. Okay, then now we can make the another guideline again with using tab measure tool. Click from this edge and place to this intersection, and also this intersection, and also this one. Click this edge, you can click this edge, click on this intersection and click this edge, click on this intersection. Okay, then now we can make the another guideline again with using tab measure tool. Click this edge and drag down around 500 millimeter and enter. Okay, now we can click this line and click this intersection, and click this intersection again, and just follow my cursor, click this intersection. Okay, until it get this shape like this. And we can also make this one in here with using line. Click this intersection by following my step like this. Okay, then now we can make this frame, strengthen frame with using the tab measure tool. Click this line and we can type 150, enter, and click this guideline again and type 30 and enter. Now we can select this line, select this intersection and click this intersection, and again we can click this intersection like this. Okay, then now we can make this frame again in here. We can make the supported frame again in here with using the tape master tool. Click from this position until the bottom around 30 millimeter and enter. Then now we can click this line, and click this intersection and click this intersection again, and then we can delete some inner plane like this. Okay, then now we can erase this line, we can erase this line and erase this line. Okay, then we can click this surface and select push pull, click the surface and push to the another side around 30 millimeter and enter. Then we can triple click, right click and make component and create. Then we can click this material again and assign with this. Okay, then now we can click this object, we can select move and place to this position. We can type 250 millimeter. Okay, then we can see about the distance. Click from this corner until this corner, we can type 220 and we can click this tape master tool, click this edge and we can type 220 again in here and enter. Then we can click this object again, select move, click the corner and tap control and place to this guideline. Okay, then we can get this object, and then we can make it whole like this. We can use the rectangle, click this corner until this corner and click this corner until this corner, and also this one we can assign for the fourth corner like this, and we can push it until the limit to make it a whole, and also this one and also this one and this one. Okay, then we can get this frame like this, and then we can make the strengthened frame like this in here with using the rotate rectangle. Click this corner and click this corner, and we can click this corner again around 30 millimeter and enter. And we can click the surface, click push pull, click the surface and click to the surface and triple click, right click and make component, create and assign the materials like this, and we can select move, type control, and okay, we can fix this placement like this. Okay, and we can add more additional frame with using rotate rectangle. Click the surface and click this edge, and we can drag to the another side around 20 millimeter, enter. Then we can click the surface and push it down till this position. Then we can triple click, right click, make group and assign the materials. We can select move, click this midpoint and place this midpoint. Okay, and we can erase some unnecessary guideline over there. Okay, and I will give you about the dimension like this. Okay, then this is about the height of this bench, and this is the length of this bench, and this is the depth of this top bench. Okay, and this is the distance from the edge until the frame like this. Okay, then we can activate the shadow. Okay, and okay, we can select all and can move to the upper position like this, and we can activate the default style like this. Okay, this is bench with the A-frame, and Thanks for watching and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.